Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Bitch, we are traveling. In fact, we already traveled. Bitch, we are in New York. Last night I took a road trip to New York and I came to Timmy's house. Him and I have something so exciting going on today that I figured I had to take you guys with me for. Timmy and I are going to be partying tonight with none other than the Paris Hilton herself. We're gonna be going to a club in New York City and she's gonna be DJing and probably singing and performing a little bit, I think. And I'm so excited, I cannot wait. I am about to go get Dunkin' because I need a little wake up call. Like, I am so tired. I drove yesterday right after dinner, so I left my house around like 6. I got to Timmy's house around 10 and I did sit in a little bit of traffic. I didn't stop at all. I literally drove straight through to get here. So I was exhausted last night. I literally ordered McDonald's to be DoorDashed here, ate a cheeseburger and fries and passed the fuck out. So here we are, 9 a.m. It is time to get our Dunkin' on. Timmy is still asleep and I did not want to disturb him because we have a long day today. But anyway, let's go to Dunkin'. Thank you so much. Thank you, have a good one. Touchdown in Grand Central, we made it. We made it, we're in the city. And bitch, the hotel we're staying at, it's literally the first night of the hotel operating. Like, we are christening the hotel.
Yes, man.
Period. It feels so good to be back in the city. We found a Paris poster, icons only. Timmy, oh my gosh. We got some Shake Shack. I'm so excited. Got a burger, fries. Hot, fresh off the fryer. I love that they put it in this little tray. That makes life so much easier. This is what we got. Looks so good. And I got Shack sauce, always a sauce. Oh wow. Wow. Too good. I have to put that down for a second. Okay, you guys, it's a little bit later now. I don't even know what time it is actually. It is currently 3:41 and we are all checked into our hotel. This is a quick little hotel tour. Sorry if you can hear the AC, I fucking cranked that shit because it was like 80 in here. But this is the hotel. I'll show you from the door. When you first walk in, there's a TV. They have a little coffee bar and I'm actually really excited to make coffee tomorrow or later, maybe actually, probably now. They have a little closet, so I'm probably gonna hang some stuff. This cute little chair. That light is not working, so I don't have that light on. But then it has a king bed and then I love this little desk. I have all my essentials. We stopped at the store and I got some champagne and it has this beautiful blue sparkly label, so I'm very excited to pop that. I'm gonna bring this to Timmy's room and we're gonna pop that bottle. And I just have all my essentials. I'm wearing all black tonight, so I need a lint roller. This is my favorite lotion right now. I'm sorry for the lighting. Let me see if I can turn on another light, maybe. Oh, okay, there we go. Perfect. But this is my favorite lotion, so I'm gonna put this on. And then my deodorant, and I brought a Paris perfume, of course, for this occasion. I had to pack a Paris perfume, of course. And I have laid out here everything I bought at Forever 21. I bought this little jeweled, like, over top thing, like shawl. I don't know. I don't even know what this would be called. And then Timmy found this black Bratz corset. So I'm hoping that that fits okay. And then I just bought this from Sephora. It's a face cleanser and cream. So I'm gonna use that right now and wash my face. And then I bought these pink sunglasses to wear tonight as well. So I'm very excited to start trying on outfits in a little bit. First, I'm gonna wash my face. Oh yeah, this is the bathroom. I forgot to show you guys the bathroom. It's so cute. I'm excited to take a shower. And this is literally the first night that this hotel is open. So everything is literally brand new. No one else has showered in the shower before. Okay, it is time to wash my hands. Although actually, is there soap in here? I don't see any soap. I guess I'll have to use body wash, shower gel. Yeah, that is the only thing, and they do not have soap. Okay. And the shower gel does not come out. Okay, we're off to a grand start here. But for now, I'm just gonna wash my face with this cleanser that we got. By Tatcha. It comes with the matcha cleanser, and then it comes with this little water cream. Super cute. Wait, ew, no, the water is literally brown. What the fuck? It's a little better now. What the fuck is going on? I think I'm gonna go to Timmy's room and try his bathroom. Don't mind my hair. I have half of it curled and then the other half I'm doing right now. I wonder what this red carpet is gonna entail.
I know, there's gonna be the whole red carpet. Trisha! Amber!
Is it my auntie Trisha?
Auntie Trisha!
Oh my god! Hi auntie!
Yeah, we're getting ready for the Paris Hilton concert.
I'm kind of thinking about doing like 2 little pigtails instead of half up.
That'd be cute. I think I like that better. This is a copy January 2017.
Okay, you guys, I'm almost ready. I'm just touching up my hair. I did little pigtails up top. I am obsessed with how my makeup came out. I did simple makeup, but with some bling on the eyes. And we're about to leave. I'm just touching up the hair real quick. We are giving Paris Hilton vibes. Okay, bitch, this camera's eating.
It's cute. It's from like 2006.
We'll see you guys there. It's golden hour and we're all ready. Not My Hair by Ariana playing at this bar. This song is good. Positions is so good. I feel like Paige, Tana's assistant right now. Like I feel like I'm about to be assisting Timmy while he does his Paris Hilton interviews. Got his whole selfie light set up. It's iconic. Oh! I'm so excited. I got to be the first person interviewed. We got a little sample of some Paris. It smells so good. I'm gonna put this in my purse. Of course Ari comes on everywhere I go.
Paris, you got a lot of other friends here.
It's about you.
All right, Timmy, you want me to introduce your boyfriend and your friend?
My hair is really like, it looks
today. Where? Oh my gosh, Strokes they're called, right? I love wearing them with everything.
Girl, wherever 21.
3, 2, 1.
I cannot believe that I met Paris Hilton last night. Not even last night. I met Paris Hilton like 4 hours ago. It is currently 10 a.m. We're getting ready for checkout. I literally went to bed at like 5:30 a.m. with Taco Bell. I literally passed out with Taco Bell on my nightstand. We got to Taco Bell like 10 minutes before it was gonna close. I cannot believe I'm standing here right now and that I fucking met Paris Hilton, bitch. I have no words. I felt like we needed to debrief real quick. I'm currently just finishing up packing, and as you just saw, I washed my face and brushed my teeth and got myself all clean and ready to go. But I'm literally so shook. I cannot believe that we met her. She came and got us after the show and said she wanted to hang out with us. So we got to go backstage and hang out with Paris in her green room. Bitch, literally, like, who am I? Why? Who are me? I don't know. Oh my God, that was so much fun. I literally owe everything to Timmy for sharing this experience with me, for letting me into his world of Paris. Like, Paris loves him and trusts him, and they have such a bond because Timmy has gone through so much and he's looked up to Paris his whole life for it, and like he literally manifested becoming friends with Paris. It's been the coolest thing to see, and just the fact that he brought me in on this journey and like brought me into this part of his life and shared this with me is so beautiful. I'm so grateful, and I just still cannot get over the fact that I got to talk to her and she literally looked me in my eyes and like held my hands while I talked to her and like was listening, and she touched my little shrug like shawl thingy that I had on, and she's like, I love this, I need this. She said my hair looked cute, and I was like, girl, my hair is so frizzy, I literally don't feel like I should be standing next to you right now. I said that. I was like, girl, my hair is so frizzy, I feel embarrassed to be standing next to you right now. She was like, girl, my hair looks like I just went through a waterfall. She was just so funny and so real, so down to earth, beautiful. She was so stunning in person. I just have no words, but I at least wanted to check in with you guys real quick before we leave, because we're about to hop on the train, and honestly, I'm gonna sleep on the train, so I will not be checking in with the vlog probably until I'm on my ride home. But yeah, wow, what a crazy 24 hours it was in New York City.